Check this out. This is like Puxatani Phil coming out of his lair for spring.
Alright, back out on 291, heading out to keep working on that trail. See what we can come up with. I'm going to go to the end. I want to see how far this damn thing is. Kapper's got me out here again. Gotta pick up on that practice he's been making me get. See if we can't knock some more brush down.
Check this out. This is like Puxatani Phil coming out of his lair for spring. Alright, welcome back and welcome to any of our new viewers. Today's just a really quick skid steer video with Pro Staffer Phil. We've been really blazing trails here. We've had 3 machines working virtually every day, on and off for the last week and a half. So we've been making a lot of progress. We've been getting a lot of videos, so it will all come out in episodes. But since, I got home a little late this afternoon, I don't have time to do a really full-length video, so I thought maybe you guys would just enjoy a little skid steer action with Phil. And I'm actually editing this like 2 days after this. So today, which is March 15th, me and Phil worked on this main road. It's probably at least 1.25 miles long, if not more, and we got the entire road done. It's 12 feet wide because I'm getting a new disc, a used disc. I found one on Facebook. It's an 11-foot wide John Deere disc, and I want to be able to get it through this main road for future food plots. So stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget, if you enjoy it, hit the like button, leave us a comment, and consider sharing it. We appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.